how to fix TextNow app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if the text application or TextNow application is not working properly. So without any further ado, let's see. First of all, you have to make sure that the application is updated. So to check that, open up Play Store in your device. And in the search bar, search for TextNow. Now once you tap on TextNow, if you see the update option where I have open, that means the application needs to get updated. So tap on update. Once the application is updated, you can go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then you have to clear the cache. For that, open up settings. Tap on the apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon and then search for TextNow. That will take you to app info piece. Here scroll down a bit, then tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, all the glitches from the application will also get cleared. After that, go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. And if still not, the last thing that you have to do is you have to delete or uninstall the application from your mobile device and reinstall it back from the Play Store. So to do that, navigate to your application in your mobile device. Then you have to tap and hold on the application, go to app info. Here tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK. Once you have installed the application, again reinstall it back and then your application will work. Properly. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.